This is the time we went to the beach and it went like this. Okay. Maude. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a mini vlog. I'm looking so cute. My sister over here is looking at me because I had to go back inside for like 4 times. My mask, my phone. What else? Oh, my sneaker. Anyway, we're going to this little beach and stuff like that. Can't wait to just you guys to go along with us. I'm looking so cute. I know. Look at my hair. Say hi, Teresa. Okay, she's even tired. Alright then. Bye. We are 6 minutes away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe I should park here. Let's look at a different place. Ooh, so nice. Teresa, is that our second time coming here?
Yeah, hopefully it's an actual beach. Because last time, that was on a beach.
Where was it? A lake?
I think so.
Lake, beach, whatever. It has water, but we can't go in there because anybody does that. We are here. I'm here with my horrible sister because the wind was blowing on her side. She's like, wait, move over here. I can feel the wind. Oh, it's much better. Like, who does that?
Jacket, so
you don't have a jacket? You know we're coming. Guys, it's so windy. My hair is going to be stiff. Stiff wear. But anyway, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I want to show you guys how it looks right now. It's so beautiful. So pretty. I do have my mask. Yeah, guys. Woo. Anyway, guys, how you guys doing? How's everything? Comment how you doing down below. My skin is glowing. I am feeling I don't know, I feel like bloated. Not bloated, like I ate too much type of thing.
bloated.
But I don't think I am. I don't know, it's weird. Maybe if I walk a little bit I'll feel much better. Go on a walk, guys. Like, go on a nice park. Obviously get your mask, like, you know, be safe and everything. But yeah, okay. Get this one. Oh my god, who does she think she is? This is where we are. It's like a park slash the beach, I would say. Oh my god, it's windy. Okay, we okay guys. Oh, it's windy. It's nice. Look at my hair. My hair said, my puff said, nope. It's gonna be very, very dry after this. Whew. Oh my god, guys. It's windy.
Crazy. I mean, Donnie, you said you needed to cook off.
Why did I tell them my business? I used the number bathroom. You know you did. She's lying. Guys, I can't really tell you this story because she'll kill me, but she's lying. This thing keeps saying I arrive at my destination. I know that. That looks so weird. I guess. Oh my gosh. That is so awesome. We should come here and do like, oh, they even have like multiple.
Yeah, you cleaned it off and then you didn't make a birthday party.
Yeah. That's awesome. Actually, for my birthday, my birthday's gonna be cold. Oh, for Joe's birthday, I'm gonna mix a little picnic for him. Oh, that'll be nice. That's so cute. They have like barbecue stand. Some of them be looking rusty, so I'll put aluminum foil. So this is where we're going, guys.
Old enough to do that.
I remember one day you got stuck in that.
No, I don't recall.
You don't remember?
No.
You lying!
I don't recall.
Oh my god, I can't believe you lie like
She
this.
trying to surface on something that I don't remember.
I like this little thing. It's so cute. But anyway, here is so beautiful, guys. Look at the sun. Look at the sun. Not the sun. Look at the beach. See, this is why I brought my sneaker, because anybody got time to be all cute. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So pretty. It is March. And we're at this beach. Look at this one over here. It's so pretty. I like coming here. It's so peaceful. It's nice. They don't have that much of people here. I hate when the beach is like full. Oh, it's windy though. We at the beach. Oh my god.
Yes. Tell us the temperature. What's the temperature like?
I could feel my body.
That's
There's nothing
good.
underneath this, so it's really, really cool. It's kind of, it's like me showing this, it's like me forcing it right now, but it's really, really nice.
I can feel it. Is it sunny or cloudy?
It's windy.
Woo!
Come with me, guys. This is a lake. This is not the ocean.
Really?
Okay. Yes.
I see you came prepared.
Prepare for what? I mean, somebody got to prepare.
Don't blame me. You know. Make your prints.
Just in case I go anything. He's so sad. Show mine. Look at have some big feet. Don't show mine.
Okay. Sit right here. Nice sit right here. Okay, backwards.
My feet is one size and smaller, so there's no way.
Let me help you guys. No!
You got the heel, that's why.
I wanted to take a picture of that.
So is the leg better here?
Okay.
So come over here, guys. I want to show you guys. I'm going to do a beach tour. No one ever done a beach tour, okay? So I'm going to be the first one. So come with me.
Okay.
So this is the beach.
Wow. Wow.
And this is the sand.
Oh, wow.
What kind of sand is that? It's a sand. That's all you get. This is the rock.
Oh, wow. That's some pretty rocks right there to sit down, of course.
This is like where the bathroom is. Just in case you need to use the bathroom.
Let's see. Let's take a closer look. Oh, that's where the bathroom is.
Yes.
Have you been?
Don't worry about it. Let's just not zoom in. This is some seaweed. I know my sister likes some seaweed. I'll bring her some.
Seaweed.
I'll bring her some when she's eating her little.
But these look a little bit stale.
Oh, I want to trust my sister, my beautiful sister.
You okay?
Yo!
That's a deep sand.
That was deep.
What is that?
Yo. That was crazy because
Should I put it?
when I step on it, I literally thought I was going.
Let me step too.
It's like a quicksand. Yo, be careful because around you if it's a quicksand.
It's not a quicksand. Why you gotta do that? I was gonna take a picture.
If you're a quicksand, Teresa, if you're gone, I ain't gonna help you.
You'll grab me a stick.
No. Girl, you did. No. My sister's so freaking cute, so beautiful. Oh, they're so cute. Who came here? Oh,
Travis.
and Cassandra. Okay, Cassandra Travis. This is so cute. Guys, we are at the beach right now, and somebody did this. Cassandra and Travis, they're in love. Okay. You know what? Me and Teresa need to do one.
It's still there.
It's still there.
Like,
Oh, they're so cute. Oh, go get a stick so me and you could do one. Okay. Oh, hell yes. Okay. My name first because I'm the queen. No for the teeth. What's it doing? She go first. It just doesn't want to put my name. Let me put Maude. You know, we all see the on my bill.
Hey, what do you think this is? What's pizza? She runs.
What are you doing, Teresa? What are you doing? What you doing? Teresa, I'm gonna be lying to people. Alright, so we did Risa. That looks fast up. This person did it so freaking cute. Look at before and after. Risa and Maude. Aww. So sad. There's another one, guys. Oh my gosh, just another one. That's all they come to do.
What is this? This is
is
like a love beat.
Josiah and Amaya. Oh, 3, 4, Josiah and Amaya. That's not my ex. And what is that supposed to be? They gave up. What? They having a baby? I think they're having a baby. That's what it means. Okay.
Or babies.
Yes.
Okay, good to know.
They're having a baby. That's what it means. But that's so freaking cute, guys. That's so cute. Look at my Teresa, my sister, and eyeshadow.
Look at us.
One, two, three, back. Forward. Yeah, I know sometimes we really have no life.
Maybe that is a life.
That is our life, though. So beautiful. So that's my house, guys. I know I never talk about my house, but that's private property. But this is my house. It's all glass. It's only me and my husband who live there. You know, I don't know. We could read what it said. You know, it's private property. I don't want my sister to come since it's private property. I even put it over here that it's private property, like so my sister won't come. I love you, sister, but it's private property.
Love you, but go home.
Guys, we have a bird over here. These birds, they're following us. They're getting closer. These birds are getting closer. That was my sister.
Oh my gosh.
She said no. Oh my god, they're getting closer. They're getting closer. No, this bird, they're gonna come in. They're gonna kill us.
Calm down.
Oh, they could smell our fear.
Yes.
Okay, come breathe. Can you see birds? You see my afro? These birds, guys, they've been following us. You know, there's nobody here, so they can kill us. But stop it. Breathe. You know how to kill a bird? Alright, guys, we're gonna come back and tell you how we almost died at the beach. Look at my sister.
I'm ready.
God.
Protect us.
Oh my god, it's not funny, but my sister's face. God protect us. Her pretty face.
Survival.
There's no survival. Oh my god, I can't breathe. The birds would have killed me and I'd still be laughing because it's just so funny. Anyway, guys, I just want to say thank you for subscribing.
Yes.
Thank you for supporting me.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, God.
Thank you, God.
Jesus.
God is great.
All the time.
Yeah, and I want to say thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel. I have more videos coming up. I make videos every Wednesday and Sunday, so don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, share, and yeah, make sure you follow me on my social media, Maude at Maude. Make sure you follow my Instagram, Facebook, TikTok.